देखना देखना, अभी ये इंग्लिश बोलेंगे। अरे क्या इंग्लिश बोलेंगे, गुजराती मीडियम के बच्चे हैं। गुजराती भी अच्छे से बोले तो बहुत बड़ी बात है, इंग्लिश तो बहुत दूर की बात है। ऐसी बात है क्या? तुमको जरा भी ट्रस्ट नहीं हो रहा है? तो लो सुनो, ये ही बच्चे गुजराती मीडियम के क्या बढ़िया इंग्लिश बोलते हैं।
How did you experience the nature?
School.
School. I mean, how did you enjoy the nature?
What you have done there?
What is nature there? How you enjoy it?
Boating.
I am boating, I am walk on the open area of the nature. I am enjoying nature.
3 weeks ago, these students didn't speak English, not a sentence, not a single word, with confidence. Today,
Yeah,
they
I would
don't
like to
just
go
speak,
to the
they express, they connect,
dialects,
and they believe.
English.
They come from Gujarati medium. From them, English was not a language, it was fear, it was hesitation, it was what if I'm wrong. They didn't know meanings, they didn't know how to frame sentences, but more than that, they didn't believe
Dialect
they
studies
could
in
speak.
Swami School.
But something changed. Not by mugging
It
up,
is there in
not by
Shillong
grammar pressure. We created a space where mistakes were allowed, where speaking mattered more than perfection, where English
You
became
both
fun,
also get
not
ready with your
fear.
questions.
And today, on just the third Saturday, which we generally have a speaking Saturdays, they are not just speaking, they are sharing their
Which is your
ideas.
indoor game,
They are
favorite
not
indoor
just
game.
answering, they are building on each other's thoughts. They are
Chess
excited.
and
They
business.
come before time because this is no
Who is
longer a
pro in
class.
chess?
This is their
I'm
stage.
in B. I'm not
The
in B
same
school. I
students
have just
who
started
once
playing when I
stayed
was
silent now
in
raise their
second
hands
standard.
first. Now speak without fear. Now try even if they are unsure.
So you know
Because
everything.
confidence is not taught,
How to
it is
play.
built
You
step by
won
step.
or not?
This is not just English speaking, this is a revolution. A revolution where Gujarati medium students
You played
break
with
their limits, where fear is
someone.
replaced by
You
courage,
won or you
where I
lost.
can't become, let me try.
Sometime
This
you
is
won,
just
sometime you
the
lost.
beginning.
Okay. Fine.
If they can do it, anyone can do it. Let's not just learn English, let's live it. Confidence starts here.
Did you ever made as a
So,
favorite
why
food
to
of
wait
yours?
for? Be energetic, be enthusiastic,
Did you ever make the favorite food
and
into
if you
favorite
want
meal?
to do it, you can do it without any fear, without any further ado. Just start and
Actually
English
made
is
as a
yours.
you ever
इंग्लिश
made
को जैसे हम बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट
You
लैंग्वेज
cooked by
समझते हैं,
yourself or not?
आज वही लैंग्वेज
You cooked.
हमारे लिए
Okay.
एक अपॉर्चुनिटी बन चुकी है। इंग्लिश ही एक ऐसी लैंग्वेज है जिसके थ्रू सिर्फ हम लैंग्वेज को यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, सिर्फ हम बोल नहीं सकते, बट हम किसी को इम्प्रेस कर सकते हैं, हम किसी के साथ
Which thing you cook best?
कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं। सिर्फ हम अपने राज्य
Maggi.
में
That is the
या
common
सिर्फ हम
food.
अपने देश में
Anybody
नहीं,
can cook.
बट हम किसी
Without
भी जगह
Maggi,
जाएं,
instead
हम
of
अपनी
Maggi,
इंग्लिश
which
को
thing you
यूज़
cook very
कर
well?
सकते हैं। तो आइए सुनते हैं इनकी इंग्लिश, इन्हीं के
Tasty.
खुद के वर्ड्स में होगी,
We'll try.
गलतियाँ होंगी।
We'll try, we'll eat
ग्रामर
and
भी
then
कहीं
we will
गलत
tell
होगा,
that is
जानती
it
हूँ
tasty or
कहीं
not.
ऐसे वर्ड्स भी गलत होंगे,
Okay.
जानती हूँ कहीं शायद क्वेश्चन पूछने में भी गलती होगी,
Next.
बट दीज आर माई स्टूडेंट्स। गलतियों से ही तो हम सीखते हैं। अगर हम परफेक्ट होते तो फिर सीखने की बात ही क्या होती। तो लेट्स लिसन दैम बाय देयर वर्ड्स हाउ दे आर एंजॉइंग देयर स्पीकिंग सैटरडेज।
Yes, I am.
English. Enjoy. How did you enjoy the classes? How do you think you are enjoying?
Friends are enjoying school.
Means you are enjoying because of your friends.
Friends are English, spoken English.
Do you people have a dream university which you want to go?
I am going in Purdue University and Harvard University.
I am not sure. Thinking of a university from this age is actually good. So you can prepare for the losses and the gains for that. Going to Purdue University is not so tough, but you have to prepare good things, good scores to maintain and go there as a scholar.
Any other questions?
How much highest percentage you scored in your schooling journey?
I am scored 93%. Highest scoring 82. I am scoring 87%.
I scored 50%.
Are you happy with your scores? No. So,
93 is not good.
are you planning to get more? Do you want more?
I want more score.
For that, what you are ready to do for?
But you can sacrifice for the schools.
If you need more score, if you need more marks, you have to give extra efforts. So, what you are ready with?
I am preparing all subjects.
Careful.
Okay. How much extra time you are giving to your subjects as per last year?
I am giving all subjects. I revise all subjects daily.
Okay. Next, you can ask each other.
What is your think about your exam plan? I am thinking
Like Pakistan.
I am choosing 11th science. In science, which subject?
Because that we don't get any
Maths.
please. But this center will go and meeting us later.